our leader for Ikpoba, the man when they made it happen for Ikpoba, the engine room of the government, the secretary to the state government, to talk to us, to talk to his people. What is happening to do that? Just get the job done without talking. We are seeing it. PDP! PDP! How Nade? Are you happy? Are you happy? Now well done. We say make we come greet you today. Now no Mr. Governor. Now no say now. You not try for now? Aha. You know there's always a payback time. Abi? So local government election don't come. Now we say make we go around, make we talk to now. We should not take anything for on that day, make we quick come out. Make we vote for our candidate. And una candidate, no una choose her. Una know am where? Ah. Una know am. I thank you now for the warm welcome when I give Mr. Governor. Because as we were walking down from the office to this place, I wanted to see the reaction of our people. You understand? And there you they know who people like. And I was not in doubt that Ikpoba people are at peace with Mr. Governor. I want to thank you. I want to thank you. We will continue to come back to you. You have never disappointed us. And we promise that we will not disappoint you. You know us, Abi? Aha. PDP! PDP! Many battles sit there ahead, though. Aha, this is just the beginning. So make now ready. Another round of applause for the secretary to the state government and the leader of Ikpoba. Now, may I call on your son, the man who will now vote for that day for House of Assembly. PDP, PDP. Una de wrong. First, I want to call off now. Ikpoba for the 24th seat for Edo State House of Assembly. Now Ikpoba produced the highest vote. 2024, the person where Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, go pre-come will vote for. We are going to give that person 40-something thousand votes in Ikpoba. PDP. Well, first and foremost, the state chairman don't see him. Even blind person for Edo State no say Ikpoba na him be the main place. Now here PDP start, now here PDP they end. And at this local government, now they happen. Mr. Governor, we are very happy to have you see firsthand our local government. You said something. You say our local government. Governor are part of our local government. Okay. You talk about just and say, these are the only local government where we say, now only one list. Now it goes state secretariat for councillors, chairman and vice chairman. And the state chairman come confirm and say, one petition not there in table. It shows say, where we did among ourselves, we know how to take care of ourselves. But one thank you, you don't do so much for us. The only way we will pay you back. Now to make sure say, we go to broadcast you they go. PDP are the only party where we know for this state, where we say that be grassroots party. Next election, who know they vote for PDP may not come to school. What do you talk? Who know they vote for PDP not come to school? Now only person will be say, I want to be my year. I want to know my year. Who don't like better thing? I go one carry us from light go darkness. They just talk about just that. You see that Sensevia road. Since I grow for this area, now they say they go do the road. But Obaseki come once. He do that road from beginning, he go come out for upper. That one is just one of the projects. If you pass all this area now, everywhere they don't tell them. We never see government will do those kind of things for us. Now that same government, that we want to make it continue for this state. Now be PDP government.
Let's hear Florence Sedobo.
You people are welcome. We are here today. Our governor this year, our SNG this year. All of us is here. All of us is present here today. Thank you very much. Now, elections coming on the 2nd next month. As we plenty years so, now we take now PVC that day. Now we go vote. Because that the vote now make us day here. Now make us get chairman, council, everything. Until that year, I beg go make una ready. I know say una first they do it before. Oh, make una still do am again.
My people of Ikpoba, where is he? Okay. Now see this table I hold for my left hand, this flag. Now see I'm here. This is the symbol of authority that the party must give to its candidates for any election. Today, by the powers conferred on me as the state chairman of the PDP in Edo State, and with the approval of the leader of the party, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki, I hereby hand over this flag to our candidate for the forthcoming 2nd of September local government elections, Honorable Dr. Eric Osayande. Open your. Ikpoba una dey, the women una dey, the youth una dey, our leader you dey, PDP. No problem for Ikpoba because they say Ikpoba lead others. But I don't say I be Ikpoba too. It's okay. Today, I just can't celebrate with una. I can't thank una. I can't tell una say una lucky. Ikpoba lucky. Because no local government be like una own. Ikpoba, yeah.
They jealous now. They say, how come Ikpoba? I say, not my fault. Not my fault now. Now God don't like that. But una also try. See the kind chairman we una bring. With a collar, chairman emeritus. He sabi work. He don't do am before. The last time we do am na number 1 he be. This time we call. So we don't come campaign. I can't thank una. Say una help me bring out this man as chairman. Because good chairman they make governor work easy. Good chairman know what governor wants. He know what people want. And you know how to make sure the two happen. This is what Dr. Eric is. And you know, with Dr. Eric as chairman, we only continue where we stop. You get many things when we never do finish. This man is an action man. Make I tell them, what you remember? If I start today, we're not going to finish. I go let him tell you himself what you remain when you go do for Ikpoba. Dr. Eric, talk to your people.
Your Excellency, I thank you so much for this opportunity. We have you, we have hope, and we are happy. We solidly welcome you to Ikpoba, and we promise you it's 100% vote. So, my people, whatever I've done 2018 to 2021, that because I get this governor. For Ologbo, I rebuilt Ologbo Township Market with toilet and borehole. True or false? I gave transformer to Otofure for Ologbo. True or false? I flagged off the construction of health center for Kolokolo. True or false? But that one we never complete them because of the fight we did there. I will complete it now if I win September 2nd election. Ward 9. Okay, they not get market before. They not get market now. With toilet and borehole, red roof. I work they not get primary school before. I built primary school, furniture. They get primary 6 now. We here not get health center before. But with the help of European Union, we here get center. Global Research got a new building through European Union. While Council 2018 to 2021 gave Global Research transformer. True or false? Will be the marriage registry for Ikpoba. We divide it into 3 because we get 3 houses: Ikpoba, Sapler Road and Upper Sakomba. Sapler Road and Upper Sakomba. We put one for Idogbo. True or false? We put one for Ogie. True or false? Ogie got transformer. We started building police station. We did the roofing stage, you know. Katakata they say the owner said the land. Say now community give them. But I cancel land. We'll win her for court. If I come, I go complete them. That Love War police station, now be the police station. We will not make that place the headquarters of civil defense. Oh, market, I never complete them. It's ongoing, roofing stage. Ikpe, they don't see the market. Ikpe market. With toilet and borehole. Obaseki primary school, I built them. From 500 kVA. Akugbe transformer, what date? Ikpe transformer, what date? True or false? Was 7. Ubeku market, I mean rebuild them. With toilet and borehole. Red roof. Was 6 market, Dumes Road, where it bought 2012. Now me build them. With toilet and borehole. 254 shops. I started another 160. I have completed 80. I will complete the other one. With fence and toilet and borehole. I flagged off a Kenego. I will also complete it. Aviaman Red Sand Primary School, I destroy them. True or false? I rebuild them, furnish them. He did there. Ogwala College, one arm, I rebuild them, furnish them. Urada Market, 2 units. 2 2 units for Orodara market with toilet and bowl. I don't put up. Wag road for United Street, 500 kVA. I don't put up. He did there. I do our center way bad. I rebuild them. Ogbesa way bad. Twin building. 1 tuberculosis, 1 for mother and children with latrine. I destroy. I rebuild them. He did there. Ogbesa. All the center where the primary school. I move on from primary school to the old building. I rebuild them. I gave over 500 kVA transformer. 1-3. I rebuilt over township market. I rebuilt them. I add to the building. I give the toilet and bowl and fence around. 279 shops for the market. True or false? I give both for Oregbeni. I gave them transformer. Oregbeni market. I renovate 100 shops. I awarded another 200 shops. But I don't tell. I said that 100 shops I complete them. The 200 shops are not complete. If I come now, I go cancel them. I go rebuild the entire market. The way for Oregbeni, where dead here since for over 15 years. Governor say any waste for any market, evacuate all. I did it. I built toilet and bowl there. I rebuilt.
Okay, now we dance to the music.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Ikpoba, on behalf of His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, we thank you now. As I take up peacefully, I'll go back up peacefully. God bless all of you in Jesus' name.